Love should be easy. Why should it not?
What is the meaning behind the use of ri after the verbs in this sentence? プリクラ撮ったり、ご飯食べに行ったり. Great question. This is what it is. So you have this combination of it's basically the ta form plus a ri, right? So, Aしたり Bしたりします. It's I will do things like A and B. It's a representative list of the things you're going to do. That's it. Very simple. Aしたり Bしたり. Hey, what did you do this weekend? I did some A and I did some B. Aしたり Bしたりしました. And you end it with that. しました. But you don't have to. You could just answer Aしたり Bしたり. It's better to say than しました. But you don't have to. And that's what your friend did. But I want to talk about just one word before we even show your complete sentence. This word right here that came up. Purikura. Purikura. This actually means print club. And this purikura is still very huge in Japan. All young girls do it pretty much. It's where they go into a photo booth and they get their picture taken. And then the software nowadays totally makes them look totally weird, beautiful anime looking. It makes their eyes like double the size. It cleans up their skin. It puts sparklies everywhere. And then you can like add things. You can do whatever you want. You have all this customization that you do. And then the stickers print out. I highly recommend you try it at least once. And if you can do it with a cute Japanese girl, bonus! Oops. Ooh, wow. Hang on. This got a little bit screwed up. Give me 1 second. The iPad does not like this. There we go. Alright, so here's your sentence. プリクラ撮ったり、ご飯, and I forgot 食べ, but ご飯食べに行ったり. So it's, I will do things like take プリクラ and go eat. But it could also be past tense, right? しました. I did things like eat and take プリクラ. So whatever the question is, like what did you do this weekend? It might be something study しました. I did these things. You could take that last verb and also make it want to. For example, I want to do things like 韓国に行ったり、中国に行ったりしたいです. I want to do things like go to Korea, go to China. So you could take that last verb form and it affects all of the items in that list, that study list. Hopefully that answers your question. It's an awesome question. Thank you.